homemade birthday cakes into steps. First step. Filter the flour, add baking powder. Add cocoa chocolate. Half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of cooking oil. Start mixing with the mixer to prepare cookie dough. Place the eggs without shells in the blind bowl. Add vanilla. Add sugar. Add cooking oil. Add mixed flour and cocoa chocolate. Add half a cup of milk. Add the rest of the flour and some more milk. Add 2 grams of salt. Pour the soft dough into a cake baking tray. Bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It's ready for the next step. The second step is to prepare the filling for the cake. Divide the cake into horizontally. Make small cuts with a knife and then divide them with thread as you see. Add 200 milliliters of whipped cream schlags on in the mixer. Make a cream. Add vanilla to the contents of the blender. Add 80 grams of schlag cream chant. Add 200 grams of mascarpone. Done. 100 milliliters of milk for soaking. Put the cream in the pastry bag. Soak the bottom of the cake pieces with milk. Other pieces as well. Grease the cake with the cream and fill it. Cover all the cake pieces side with one of the cream. Cover the top of the muffins with the chocolate liquid. To decorate, garnish with coconut as shown. Decorate star shapes using a piping bag.
Enjoy it.